Hi, today I want to talk to you about stones that are great for the astrology sign Leo. Now, if you're like me and you have any good friends or family members that are Leos, you know that they are gregarious, they're open, they walk into a room and they command the energy. And what I've always noticed about Leos, they always have the most beautiful mane of hair. So if you have a Leo in your life and you're looking for the perfect stones for them, I want to share those with you today. So carnelian is a great stone for a Leo because it helps a Leo unlock their creativity. It helps a Leo ignite that fiery passion where they can move forward in their life doing what they love. Hematite is an excellent stone because it helps you to stay grounded. It helps you to stay centered. It helps you to stay stabilized, bringing all the energy from your head down into the earth through your feet, and you're connected to Mama Earth. Also, this is fantastic for your Leos. Pyrite. Pyrite is all about sunshine and sparkle, and it helps you to unlock all the abundance awaiting for you in your life. Tiger's Eye is a stone of courage and loyalty, and it helps you to move forward. This is a great necklace to wear. It's a tiger's eye necklace, and it's called the Fear Breaker. And what happens is it helps you to break through anything holding you back, and it helps you to take action to move forward. So if you have any Leo friends who are having a birthday or family members or your favorite Leo, this is a great candle. It's called Make a Wish. And all you do is if you want to give them one for their birthday or any kind of celebration, all they do is they write their name on the candle and you light it. And it has fluorite. And fluorite is the stone that helps to have your wishes come true. Happy birthday, Leos.